the major enemy of spoken word shows is ignorance. Most of the people who are hesitant to accept my invitation to a spoken word experience usually say something like, well, I'm not really into poetry, or poetry is boring. And I understand that that's based on what they know about poetry, which is based on what they learned in school from reading some old white person's words about nature or something abstract. You know, and most times we weren't represented in the works that we read in school. Spoken word poetry, though, is entirely different. It's people just like you and me, looking at life and the experiences that we all share and summing them up in a rich, thought-provoking way, and serving it up to you in an entertaining fashion. And all those people who hesitate to come because of what I just said, who subsequently do come out, check out the show, they you know, they get hooked after one time, because spoken word poetry is the shit.